What is going on, guys? It's Justin from the J Media, back with another video. Today we're back with another DIY installation video. So recently you guys might have saw a previous video where I installed the new head unit on my Mitsubishi Lancer. So with the new head unit, some of the Mitsubishi Lancer model, some of them do come with the OEM backup camera, some don't. In my case, it does have the OEM backup camera from factory. So in order to pretty much have the head unit work with the OEM backup camera, you do need a separate adapter that you could purchase online, Amazon, eBay. But today we'll be showing you how to connect it just so your aftermarket head unit will work with your OEM backup camera. And that is the OEM backup camera on the trunk of my 2015 Mitsubishi Lancer. So like I said, some year models do come with backup camera, some don't. In my case it does. If you don't, you can also purchase an aftermarket backup camera to work with your Android and Apple CarPlay head unit. Alright, so here is the aftermarket head unit that we're talking about. And like I said, if you do want to pair your OEM backup camera setup, you do need to connect some wires on the back of it. So we're going to go ahead and take apart everything again. You guys might have seen previous videos, super easy. Pop your glove box open, one screw right there that you have to remove, and then pretty much this plastic piece pops off, and then you have easy access to the head unit. Okay, so we have the head unit pretty much all taken apart. You guys saw, really easy to remove it. If you want to see a more in-depth video, make sure to check out my how to DIY installation playlist, where I do have the Mitsubishi Lancer head unit installed more in-depth. But you see a bunch of wires, so let's go show it ahead and what we're gonna do. So these are the extra wires that it came with. Like I said, if you do have an OEM backup camera you want to install, you want to get these wires separately. So yeah, let's go ahead and show you guys what we'll be connecting it to. Okay, so if you take a look at these wires, everything is plug and play. So what that means is there should be no wire splicing needed. Over here on this, it does have this black adapter. So this, I believe, should replace this guy right here. There's the black power source. And we somehow just got to trace it all the way here. This attaches to the main wiring harness. So let's go ahead and remove this piece. Okay, so we have the main power harness right here disconnected from the head unit. That's in black. And then this pretty much feeds over here and connects to the OEM harness right here. So we already went ahead and disconnected this piece. So this piece is what you'll be replacing. It pretty much looks the same. So if we're going to do a side-by-side comparison, like I said, it's very similar. So both white pieces here are the same. And the black piece right here is the same as well. Main difference is this piece right here does have extra connections. Also have this extra box right here. So like I said, this should be plug and play. Everything will connect to the OEM setup. If you do want to still use this but connect to your aftermarket or OEM backup camera, you can definitely do that, but some splicing might be required. On this wire it says reverse. I believe that's where the backup camera reverse goes to, but you do have to splice some wires. So if you want a plug and play option, get something like this, a lot cleaner. So now you're going to go ahead and connect all these wires. A lot more wires to connect, but we're going to do the same thing. Black back to the head unit, and then this big white harness back to the OEM power harness, and then we'll also figure out what the other harnesses connect to as well. Okay, so previously we just had this piece right here connected, we had all these extra ones dangling. So right now with the extra harnesses, you're going to go ahead and connect these two together. And then there's also this gray piece right here they're going to go ahead and connect together as well. I also did notice on this wiring harness that I had to get separately. There's also one more wire that connects right here on the head unit. So once I plug that in, there's a lot more of these connections to connect. So pretty much yellow to yellow, white to white, red to red, just match the labels and they connect right up. So right now let's go ahead and put it back together. I usually like to just rest it back on without clipping all the interior pieces just to make sure everything works first. Alright, so let's go ahead and put it to the on position. Start it again just to make sure the head unit works. We're going to make sure the music works, make sure everything works, including the backup camera. So usually since we just unplug everything, the first startup again could take a few seconds, so just be a little bit patient. Music works. Alright, so the moment of truth, we're going to start up the car, put it in reverse, make sure the cameras work on the touchscreen doubled in. There we have it. Backup camera works. Alright, so we tested out, everything works, backup camera works. I'm so glad we have the backup camera back in usage. So right now what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and put all the trim pieces back on and we're all good to go. Alright, so hope you guys like this simple DIY install. So just replacing a few wires definitely makes it a whole lot better. Like I said, a lot of guys when they put aftermarket head units, they always worry that they can't keep their steering wheel controls or they can keep their OEM backup camera. So yeah, sometimes some of the head unit kits you buy does have all these included. Sometimes you have to purchase it separately, so make sure to double check. Like I said, just to buy the wire online probably costs you not too expensive. Depending on your car make and model, on average about another $10 to $20. So it's not expensive at all. So if you guys like the video, make sure to leave a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll catch you guys in the next one.